Hey, this may be a bit controversial, but Brunswick stew is not just vegetable soup with meat tossed in. No ma'am. If it doesn't have smoked pork barbecue, it is just a wannabe. Let me show you how we make Southern Brunswick stew. We start with a homemade chicken stock. I'm using leg quarters, fresh vegetables, plenty of salt and pepper, and a whole bulb of garlic. Add plenty of water. Cook it down until the chicken's falling off the bone. This is your flavor foundation. Next, in some of that broth, boil golden potatoes until they're fork tender. And over here, cook frozen lima beans with onions. This stew is all about layers of flavor. If you love the functionality of this cutting board with the flat edge, it comes in a set of 3 with a handy holder. I'll link them below. Cook the beans and onions over medium heat until the beans are soft. Once the beans are done, in goes 1 bag of frozen yellow corn, 2 teaspoons each of garlic powder and onion powder, and 3 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Yes, it has to be smoked paprika to give it that true southern depth. 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes. Now I'm adding the chicken and carrots from the broth we made earlier. Here's what sets Brunswick stew apart. Tender, smoked pork barbecue. This isn't some bland boiled meat. This pork was smoked the old-fashioned way, giving it that pink hue and flavor that you cannot fake. I'm adding 1 pound of smoked barbecue here. Add a little frozen creamed corn to thicken it all up, and then add the potatoes back into the pot. This is where that thick, satisfying texture comes from. Give it a taste and adjust the salt and pepper. Finish it off with a whole stick of butter because it's Southern food after all, and let it all simmer for about 20 minutes so the flavors come together. Now this is real Brunswick stew, full of smoked pork, and packed with flavor. Don't let anyone fool you. If it doesn't have barbecue, it's just not the same. Grab a bowl and taste the difference.